So today I'm just making a quick video about how to change the LEDs in E92, E93 series BMWs. So everybody changes out the old style for LCI style lights, and you can get this one. This one's for the convertible, and I'm trying to get the LEDs out of this one to replace the LED that has gone out of this one. This one costs, to replace the light costs roughly 500 Canadian dollars. So now I got these for next to nothing, and I'm going to swap it out. So initially I cut the LEDs out of this one, and to do that I basically used a hacksaw blade, and that created a problem in that a lot of the dust went inside, and then you could see it in the lamp on the outside. I've washed it out for quite a while, lots of rinse cycles, floating out all the pieces, and then when I got to taking them out of this one, which unfortunately is not the one that I want, I instead used a hot knife, and the hot knife just melts the ABS nice and neat, and there is zero particles of dust that went inside. So I cut this one out just in enough of a shape to get the LED element, which is stuck upon, clipped in here, out. And then I'm going to take that one out and replace it in this one, and seal this one back up, and I'll be good. And here we go, got this pad lifted up and took the LED module out from these little clips that hold it in. As you can see, we've got it hooked up to a 12-volt cordless Milwaukee battery here, and the LEDs are working nice and bright and good on the driver board. Time to put them into this one. And here we got the new one in beside the old one. You'll see that the old one they're a little different shape. So because the old light came out of the M3, so maybe that's why. Either the lamp spacing is the same, as you can see. Maybe not. The LEDs are all in the pipes, and I just had to do a little trimming here to get that to work. Now I'll hook it up and test it and make sure that they're all aligned properly so that the light is even in the pipes, and then I'll put the cap back on and seal it up. After I make these wire connections, and I'll seal it up and should be good. And there we have it. Works like a charm. Even light all the way around, just like it was originally, with the lights right there. Okay, now I'll just go seal it up and make the connections and seal it up and reinstall it in the car. And there is the module all secured in. Just gonna shrink these tubes and then cap it. And here we have the piece put back in place, and just time to set it up. And there it is, held in with hot glue. And there's the finished result with a little gray silicone on it for extra sealing, although the hot glue should do quite a fine job of that. And that's it. Cut it out, replace it. Only when cutting it out, use a hot knife instead of something that's gonna kick the dust inside the lens. Hope this helps someone.